Is your Android phone lost or stolen? If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting, because if you are a person who's thinking Find Hub is actually going to go ahead and help you remote format your phone, think twice. So let's go ahead and get on to Google Find Hub. So or do a search for Find Hub, click on the first suggestion, Find Hub, and you log in with the same email address that was on your lost or stolen Android phone. All right. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page on which you have two options. You have an option to track devices that is linked to that specific email address, or you could even track people out here if you have a tracking link sent by your friends and family members. Okay. So let's click on devices. Whatever device you want to locate, just select that. And within a few seconds or a couple of minutes, Find My Device is going to pinpoint your phone's location. Now, if it is showing your phone online out here on maps, it means that your phone is still online. So maybe you could quickly get to this location and try to see if your phone is still there. If it is not there, that means somebody has your phone and this was the last location, and that person hasn't actually put your phone on offline mode. Okay, so you could go ahead and immediately click on Factory Reset Device. This is going to actually erase your device. Whatever data you have synced to your Google account is going to be erased from your phone that was lost or stolen. Okay, once you click on Next, that's it. So only if you see your device's last location out here, you could just give it a try. If your device is online, only then this is going to work. So this is the catch actually. Only if your phone is online, then Find Hub is actually going to work for you. But rumors suggest that very soon Find Hub is going to have the option to track offline devices as well. If you are like offline and not connected to your network provider, or if you're not having Wi-Fi connection, you could still track your offline device. Let's see, that's a rumor. If that actually comes out for Android devices, that's going to be fantastic. Now, what are the 2 steps that you could take to ensure that your phone is actually blocked and nobody else is misusing it? Number 1, get to the police station. Okay, file in an FIR. Obviously, we all know that. So in the future, after your phone is lost, if somebody tried to misuse a phone, you're not going to get pulled up for anything bad. And apart from going to the police station, the next thing what you could do is call your cell phone network provider and tell them that your phone is lost or stolen. They may just ask you for a copy of the FIR or the missing complaint. Just email them or forward it to them however they are wanting it. Once they get it, they confirm it. They're going to go ahead and put up a notice or actually blacklist your phone. Now, this may be for most network providers. You could just, give them a call and give it a try. I have seen a lot of applications or websites that say that they provide this kind of a service, blacklisting of lost or stolen Android and Apple devices. These are sketchy websites and applications. Be very careful when you're using these type of services online, because if you're paying a fee, you may just get scammed. So be very, very careful. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.